Here we have a Boolean proof problem. I've never solved this before, but let's just take a quick survey of what I think we need to do. So the first thing I like to do is compare the where am I to where I need to go. And so immediately we see here I've got y and then I've got y over here. So basically I just need to show that this is equal to x. And well, somehow I'm going to have to get rid of all of the extra stuff there. So the first thing I want to try out first is see if I can get rid of some of these things. So I've got z here and z bar, and they're both multiplied by or ANDed with x. So let's do some distribution. So I'm going to pull a x or y bar, z bar, or z, and that was the distribution property. And then after that I can do y or x I'll distribute this z into this and expression here. So this z or is going to go into there. So I'm going to do y bar or z ANDed with z bar or z, and that was distribution again. And then we can see that this z bar or z is going to go down to a 1. So this is going to be y or x, and so what we're going to get is y bar or z. This is going to be equal to 1 with the complementarity property and then the identity property done in parallel in 2 steps. So there was an and 1, and then the identity gets rid of that. Okay, and then let's redistribute back out. I don't see what else I can do at this point. So we've got y or x, y bar or xz. So we can do something pretty similar to what we did before. So I can distribute this y or into here. So that becomes y or x ANDed with y or y prime or xz. And so that's distribution. And then this guy is going to go away using the complementarity identity thing. So we're going to have y or x or xz. So that's with comp and identity. And then now I just need to get rid of this xz. And the way we can do that is we get y or x and 1 or xz. So that's using my identity rule backwards. And then I can distribute the x out of this. So we get equals y or x, 1 or z. That's distribution. And then this is the 1 is going to cause this guy to be equal to 1. So that's with the null identity, null property, and then x and 1 and identity will allow this to become y or x.